To the right of the search bar icon, we've got a plus symbol right here, and this is for us to add a symbol that we want to compare on a chart with. So for example, if I was to type in ETH, which is for Ethereum, and if we do Ethereum USD on the Binance, if I select that, you can see that a chart has been plotted. So we're seeing two different charts on the same chart now, and this is a comparison. So this orange line right here represents Ethereum, and you can see that towards the right here, and you can see BTC USD, so we can see a comparison between the two. This can be useful to see a correlation between the two assets. So for example, you can see that Ethereum started dropping first right here before Bitcoin started dropping, and then Bitcoin followed after. Because Bitcoin started dropping here, Ethereum had already started dropping from here. So this is how to use the comparison button, which is this plus button right here. So